Okay, today we are going to be starting our geometry vocabulary. Our I can statements are I can identify and describe representations of lines, line segments, points, rays, and angles, including endpoints and vertices. I can explain why lines are either parallel or will intersect, and I can describe perpendicularity. We are going to be working on a foldable for identifying all of those representations as well as describing them through their definitions. So the foldable that we're going to have, it looks like this. The first thing you're going to need to do is we're going to cut out along the whole outside of the foldable. Okay. Kind of awkward, but you'll see in the end how it works. Okay, so now we have cut out our whole foldable and it looks like this. So what we're going to do now is just cut on these two lines just like so. And we're just cutting it to the first, just like that. And again, on the other side, just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make our creases. Then we're going to fold this down and fold this down. So now we've kind of got something that looks like this. So now we're going to open it all back up, flip it over, and fold them all down again. So now we can read each word. And I know I have it upside down. I'll get there in just a second. Okay. Okay. So now I'm able to read the words. So I'm going to open up the next few slides. Each slide you're going to do is going to be a different term. So when you start, the first slide you'll do is line. So you will open up the line. Right here, you're going to draw a picture. And right here, you're going to write the definition. And those are all noted in the next few slides. So I'll give you the example so that you can walk through it on your own. A line looks like this with 2 arrows, and then I'm putting some points on my line just so I can label my line, and I'm going to make my points C, D. So this would be line, and when you write it, you'll write it with arrows, C, D. And that's how we know what the line is called. It's called line CD because we have C to D, and this little line right on top of it tells us how to read this. Then our definition would go right here. Okay? Then the next slide you'll do is line segments. You'll draw a picture, and then you'll write the definition. Then you'll do ray, picture, definition, angle, picture, definition. Intersecting will go here. You'll draw a picture and your definition. Perpendicular will go here. You'll draw your picture and your definition. And then the last one will be parallel. You'll do a picture and your definition, and you'll be following the slides that follow this in our Nearpod.